Hello folks, and welcome back to more of the Grade 7 Gauss from the year 2002. We're up to question number 13. So, a palindrome is a positive integer whose digits are the same when read forwards or backwards. For example, 2002, the year of the contest, is a palindrome. What is the smallest number which can be added to 2002 to produce a larger palindrome? So we need a palindrome bigger than 2002. Now, there's two ways to do this question, and if we were on an upper year paper, so if we were on the Cayley or the Fermat, what we might try and do is look at what a palindrome looks like in general. And in general, it looks like A, B, B, A, where A is a single digit and B is a single digit. That way it's the same forwards and backwards. But on these younger level contests, I find the most straightforward thing to do is say, hey, we're in a multiple choice question, and you can use that to your advantage. They give you 5 possibilities. I say, if these are our possibilities, why don't we add each one of them in turn to 2002, see which ones give us palindromes, and then out of those 5, and out of the ones that give us palindromes, which one is the smallest. Okay? And so it's perfectly okay to say, you know, I'm going to use the fact that it's multiple choice, so there's only 5 possible answers to my advantage. No one's looking at your solutions. I'm writing up solutions, sure, but when you do the contest for real, you're just bubbling in a little sheet. So no one knows what you're doing. And if this is what you want to take advantage of, then by all means, take advantage of the fact that this is a multiple choice question. So we have 11, 110, 108, 18, and 1001. So what's the smallest number that can be added to 2002 to produce a larger palindrome? Let's first see which ones produce palindromes. So we have 2002 plus 11. 2002 plus, I think it was 110. Then I think it's 18, or no, I think it's 108 next, then it's 18. And 1001. So we take each of these in turn and see which ones give us palindromes. And of those, which one is the smallest one? See, my money's on something like 11 or 18. Those are the smaller numbers. Okay? Let's just make sure I have the order correct. 11, 110, 108, 18, and 1001. Okay. So, 2002 plus 11, that's 2013. Okay, that's not a palindrome because it's not the same forwards and backwards. Here I could read 2002, or I could read 2002. I said the same thing, but in a different order. Here I'd have 2013 and 3102. That's not a palindrome. 2002 plus 110, that's 2112, or 2112. That's definitely a palindrome. So 110 is currently winning. But if 108 is a palindrome, then since that's smaller, that's the number we're going to go with. So 2002 plus 108, that's 2110, and that's not a palindrome. How about 2002 plus 18? That's going to be 2020. It looks interesting, but it's not a palindrome. It's 2002 or 0202. So I don't even need to compute this last one because 1001 is bigger than 110. So we found the smallest number that's going to give us a palindrome. But just for fun, we see, 3003, that does give us a palindrome. But 110 is the smallest. And because I took the time to order these properly, I know that it's B, but because I'm paranoid, we're just going to double check that, yes, B110 is our answer. Alright, so that's a nice little question. It really allowed us to take advantage of the fact that there's only 5 possible answers. And not every question you can use the multiple choice to your advantage, but on some questions it's very nice. And so it's important to remember that you are writing a multiple choice contest. So, join me in the next video for question number 14, and I'll see you guys then.